Have you ever wondered what it feels like to travel across Dubai without touching a steering wheel? So I'm taking you on a journey inside one of the most advanced metro system in the world, the RTA Dubai. Today we are exploring the Dubai Metro, one of the most advanced driverless metro system. Whether you're a tourist, a resident, I'll show you everything you need to know before you hopping on board. But first, let's talk about something fun fact.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way.
You don't have to walk, babe. Rain, no need to hurry. No one ever said there's an easy way. Aking kukumutan. Sound check, my gosh. World where everybody hates. Sandal besada, ulo mo sa unan. Katawan mo ay aking kukumutan. Mga problema yung... Here's a fun fact about RTA Dubai Metro. Did you know that Dubai Metro is not just any train? It's a full of world record and cool surprises. Let me share some fun fact while we ride. Fact number 1, the Dubai Metro is a fully driverless. Imagine, walay driver pero safe kayo. It's also a longest driverless metro system in the world. Fact number 2, even the station and trains are fully air conditioner. Perfect kayo ba sa init nga 45 degrees sa gawas. Fact number 3, you can ride and surf the net at the same time. Free wifi mga bay. Social kayo. Fact number 4, it feels like a city tour from Burj Khalifa to the skyline of Sheikh Zayed Road. The views are amazing and all for a metro fare. Fact number 5, since it opened in 2009, the Dubai Metro has carried a billion of passengers already. Imagine, pila ka tao nakakita diri adlaw-adlaw.
The Christmas tree's on fire, Santa's holding the lighter. My parents are both liars, I got gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket, oh got another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid, am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not